construction industry training program is all about teaching a student from safety and the beginning phases of construction through the finishing phase of construction, your tile work, your carpet, your hard surfaces, and everything in between. It's designed so that you have a basic understanding. I'm not going to teach you to build a custom home, but I'm going to give you the basic skills to understand how that home is built and how to maintain that home.
One of the things that's different about the CIT program is that it's not like a class that you might take at a big box retail store, because our classes are really formatted and set up so that you learn how to do your job, let's say as a tile installer, like a professional tile installer would, so that you learn how can I go out and make a living doing this.
The number one student we see is a student that wants to work in construction. They want to get out there, they want to drive those nails, dig ditches, build houses, do whatever, but they have nowhere to go, nowhere to learn these skills. So they come here looking to learn the skills. We also get a lot of students that say, I don't want to work in construction, but I want to understand how it is my house works and how I can maintain the biggest investment I'm going to make in my life.
Well, I didn't really have any knowledge about construction. I'd always been interested in it. I own my own home and a couple rental properties, and I just wanted to have the skills and knowledge to be able to do work when it was necessary. I literally didn't know the difference between a table saw and a miter saw and a skill saw, and now I feel really comfortable using all different kinds of equipment.
Here at CIT, all the instructors come from industry, so we're not just teachers that go to learn something and then teach it to. We have the practical application that comes from the industry. We also bring all the current trends back with us through our advisory committee and other people we deal with.
So that's one of the things that we work on all the time, is to keep our own program up to date and to provide students with the channels and the access and where to look for how to stay at the top of their game, so that when they get out in the construction industry and they're competing with other professionals, they'll be able to do their best.
I've worked in the construction field for 8 or so years and in different aspects of construction, and I do feel the CIT program would be a good starting point for people that are interested in construction in all trades. It gives you a good basis for what you need to know in the future.
Here in CIT, we try to keep it light and have fun with it. It's a very active class. You're not going to sit there and listen to the teacher lecture the entire time. You're going to swing a hammer, learn how to use a saw safely. You're going to have a lot of fun.